Welcome to our walking tour of Pike Place Market in Seattle, a vibrant destination perfect for retirees seeking a blend of history, culture, and culinary delights. In this video, we'll explore the market's key attractions, including the iconic fish market, local artisan shops, and the famous gum wall. You'll also discover charming cafes and restaurants where you can savor fresh, local cuisine. With its rich history dating back to 1907, Pike Place Market offers a unique charm that captivates visitors of all ages. Join us as we uncover the stories behind this beloved landmark and share tips to make your visit enjoyable and memorable. Pike Place Market, founded in 1907, has a rich history that reflects Seattle's growth and community spirit. Originally established to connect local farmers with consumers, the market has evolved into a vibrant hub for artisans and small businesses. One notable event in its history was the Great Seattle Fire of 1889, which led to the city's reconstruction and the eventual establishment of the market. Over the years, Pike Place has become a symbol of local culture, supporting farmers and artisans while preserving its historic charm. Today, it stands as a testament to Seattle's commitment to sustainability and community, making it a cherished destination for both locals and visitors alike. Pike Place Market is home to several must-see attractions that capture its unique spirit. First up is the famous Pike Place Fish Market, renowned for its lively fish-throwing tradition, where fishmongers toss fresh catches to one another, delighting onlookers. Just a short stroll away, you'll find the original Starbucks, a cornerstone of coffee culture, that invites retirees to savor a cup of their favorite brew in a historic setting. Don't miss the vibrant flower stalls bursting with color, offering beautiful bouquets at affordable prices. Additionally, the market is dotted with local artisan shops, showcasing handmade crafts and unique gifts, making it a perfect spot for leisurely exploration and discovery. Pike Place Market is a food lover's paradise, offering a diverse array of culinary delights. Be sure to visit Beecher's Handmade Cheese, where you can watch cheese being made and indulge in their famous mac and cheese. Another must-try is Pike Place Chowder, celebrated for its award-winning clam chowder that warms the soul. Retirees are encouraged to sample local delicacies and seasonal produce from various vendors, ensuring a taste of the Pacific Northwest. Supporting these local vendors not only enhances your experience but also promotes sustainable practices that benefit the community. With so many flavors to explore, Pike Place Market is a delightful destination for food enthusiasts of all ages. Navigating Pike Place Market can be a delightful experience for retirees, especially with a few tips for comfort. Throughout the market, you'll find plenty of seating areas and rest spots, where you can take a break and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. For those with mobility challenges, accessible routes and facilities are available, ensuring everyone can enjoy the market's offerings. Don't hesitate to take breaks to enjoy the scenery, whether it's watching street performers or admiring the beautiful flower stalls. By pacing yourself and utilizing the available amenities, you can fully appreciate the charm of Pike Place Market while ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable visit. Pike Place Market is not just a shopping destination. It's a vibrant cultural hub filled with lively events and performances. Street performers and musicians can be found throughout the market, adding a delightful ambiance that enhances your visit. From talented buskers to local bands, there's always something entertaining to enjoy. Additionally, retirees can participate in seasonal events and festivals, such as the annual Pike Place Market Festival, which showcases local crafts and food. For those looking to dive deeper into the local culture, consider joining workshops or classes offered by talented artisans, where you can learn skills like pottery or cooking. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Pike Place Market. We've explored its iconic attractions, from the lively fish throwing at Pike Place Fish Market to the rich coffee culture at the original Starbucks. We also highlighted the diverse culinary delights and vibrant cultural experiences that make this market a must-visit destination. We encourage you to plan your visit to Pike Place Market and immerse yourself in its unique offerings. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share your own experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite moments at the market and any tips you have for fellow retirees.